Imagine forgetting everything, not just where you put your keys, but your name, your family, your entire life. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But what if I told you that forgetting is just as crucial to memory as remembering? Get ready because we're diving deep into the mind bending world of how your brain stores memories. Contrary to what you might think, memories aren't stored like files on a computer. They're dynamic, ever changing reconstructions of the past. Think of them more like a mosaic, pieced together each time you recall them. Dr. Eris Thorne explains scientifically our brains prioritize storing emotionally significant events. These are flashbulb memories, vivid, detailed snapshots that feel incredibly accurate. However, even these are prone to distortion. Dr. Thorne, a leading neuroscientist, explains a surprising truth. Here's the twist. Each time you recall a memory, you're not just retrieving it, you're actively rewriting it. This is why memories can change over time, influenced by new information, emotions, and even suggestions from others. I swore the car was red, but everyone else remembers it being blue. I thought I was crazy, Sarah said, confused and personal. Sarah recalls a childhood event. Her memory betrays her. And now, a truly bizarre fact. Your brain actively suppresses memories that cause emotional distress. This isn't just forgetting, it's an active process of repression aimed at protecting your mental well being. Consider this: a soldier returns from war, haunted by what he saw. His brain, in an attempt to shield him, buries the most traumatic events. But these repressed memories can manifest in unexpected ways: nightmares, anxiety, and even physical symptoms. The key takeaway? Memory isn't a perfect record of the past. It's a constantly evolving story, shaped by our emotions, experiences, and even our desire to protect ourselves. It's a testament to the incredible power and complexity of the human brain. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe to Voito Insights, and ring that notification bell.